This is where the most devastation happened, right in here. And these were all houses right through here. And these were all completely destroyed. And they're still working on getting foundations out.
Up north in Canada, 25,000 people have been evacuated from the town of Jasper in Alberta. There are no reports of injuries. However, officials say anywhere from 30 to 50% of the town's structures are potentially damaged.
Anywhere there's flags up means the ground's been contaminated, and they are still waiting for insurance to pay for that kind of stuff. It's a complete waiting game. A lot of people right now will be homeless from the time of the fire, 3 to 5 years. And the problem is, winter is coming. So all these trailers right here, that's where the residents stay that lost their houses. There could be families of 3 to 6 people living in these trailers here, and they're just waiting to come home.
The people that are rebuilding, they're not necessarily looking to redesign their house. They're looking to get back what they had. For example, today somebody brought a fireplace, a picture of a fireplace they had in their house. And it was a solid stone fireplace. And it's the one thing they want to replace in their new home.
One of the couples today at the walkthrough, like, they're just, you know, it's a very overwhelming process, right? Like, you just feel anxious, and it was just, she said it was so nice to come in and see people having progress and seeing that like light at the end of the tunnel, right?
I noticed even like when we stopped there yesterday that there was other locals going by and were excited to just see something up, like to see a house up instead of just a hole in the ground, which was pretty neat.
Prospective Jasper clients walk through of a house that's being built so they can see what we do, how we do it, the quality of the material that we use. But I think it's kind of neat for the townspeople to see the rebuild happening for them. That gives them hope that, yeah, their little town after being completely devastated will be back. It's a new beginning. It's kind of a 50-50, whereas that whole sense of loss and trying to rebuild as close to what you had, but an opportunity to, as everybody sits in the house going, well, if I could start over again, I would change this, an opportunity to do that. But still trying to bring back everything they lost and still make it feel like their house at the same time.
It's definitely been almost a harder challenge, but like a more rewarding challenge to design a replacement home than just, you know, I just want a new cabin out at the lake. Yeah, you could even see like with some of the clients today when we started the design process to now where their house is half built. You could see the difference. They can see it happening. They can see it coming. So, and that's really rewarding to just be like, this is for them. This isn't about, you know, having the biggest, nicest house. It's about just having a house. It's about having their life back.